Hey everyone, so I wanted to demonstrate the new chatbot, so you guys can go ahead and test it and start to get used to this new system. So first thing I wanted to demonstrate is I'm just gonna communicate with it like a normal person, just to um, see, just to show you, it can understand Zulu, Swati, it can understand almost all the languages. But the main ones, the South African languages which you're interested in. So first thing is I wanted to make an order. So because the first error we picked up on, just open my file here, is it did not take in Durban and Cape Town. So yeah, the first thing is it shows you your number. So it asks you, is this available for calls? So if I say yes, then it's gonna show the driver that this number is for calling and for WhatsApp. So this saves you time. You don't have to um, always check if your number's on WhatsApp, and then so you can have that information. So yeah, so this is the next step. So it asks me. So I'm gonna just Durban this time, just because before it wasn't working. So this time it asks you for your name. WhatsApp disable bots from taking people's names from WhatsApp. So this is why we ask for the name here. So it is quite slower in my opinion. I'm not happy with the speed, but this is much smarter than the current system we have, and is um, much more likely to answer a question than the other one. So here I'm gonna say I'm in Pinetown. Um, and I'm gonna say I'm in Durban Street. Go ahead and answer. These are just the normal questions. I'm not going to talk too much about these. You can read them and try and um, understand what's going on yourself. But the main thing I want to show is the tracking feature as well. So here I want to show you the. So let's say here I don't want to select a watch. I'm like, um, I decide I want to ask a question that, let's say, how can I track my order? So I'm just making this along as I go along, because I wanted to show the flexibility of this chatbot. So yeah, I am sometimes interrupted by these pop-ups, but aside from that, okay, it seems like my message didn't go through because of that pop-up. Yeah, so yeah, apologies about that, guys. But yeah, as you can see, yes, you can track your order by saying track on Messenger. So I'm like, okay, cool, I'm happy about it. Now I'm gonna choose the watch. So it still understand that I was talking about. Once I say 93, it's gonna understand that I'm referring to the I'm selecting a watch right there. So yeah, again, the network is crazy slow. Let me see actually. Oh, it's actually my data. Let me buy more data again. Yeah, so I run out of data again. So I bought another bundle. But yeah, as you can see, I selected that. So it's still, because I sent two messages, it's still sending me two messages. So as you can see here, it's still the same questions on the current bot. So let me complete this order, and then I can show you the new things. So as you can see here, it's sending me a confirmation, my phone number, I'm in Durban, order number 93, payment with card, CC Pinetown, and my delivery instructions. So Tokyo pointed out that you want to cancel your order before it wasn't allowing you. So let's see now. So I'm going ahead and canceling this order. So again, this chatbot saves the information on a database. So when you do some certain actions, it's going to take long because it has to communicate with the database and alter it. So like right now, I'm setting cancel. It's sending a request to the database to change the status. It doesn't delete the order, it just changes the status to cancelled, so we can still access the information from this client. But I will look into ways to make it quicker because I feel like it's just too slow. So as you can see, it says your order is now cancelled. Please let me know if you want to order again. So I want to say track now because I want to double check if my order is cancelled. I want to see my order history. So as you can see here, also I say track, it shows me when the order was placed. I just placed it right now, and then the status, it says simply cancelled your order, please order again when you're ready. Okay, so cool. So now I just got paid, I got my money, let me order again. So let's see what happens. So as you can see here, I want to show you the message. It remembers me and it calls me by my name. Welcome back, Sakila, your details have been loaded, this is our stock. Okay, great. Let me select it. So now I want 141. There we go. I'm going to select the options here. So let me see here. So if you notice now, it did not ask me my city, it did not ask me my address, it did not ask me all of those areas and delivery instructions. I just was able to get straight to the point, and then and place my order. So that's more customer oriented. Not maybe as a driver, it might not benefit you, but it just shows that now a customer can actually come back and the robot remembers what is going on. So as you can see, the second order I place, it gives me a different status now. The agent says it's started your order, yes, because I just placed it right now. But if I go to my app, for example, I'll be able to anyway, this is the old app. I'm not gonna load it because it takes far too long to load. I've got a new version now which takes a few seconds, but this one takes 2.5 minutes. So yeah, it's unusable. I decided not to launch with that version and just fix that first before we can use that app. So I don't know, let me check on my list here if I covered everything. Yeah, cancel works. Complain, I might need to look into that, but the bot remembers you. Cape Town works. So right now, if a customer is now in Joburg and they want to order again, unfortunately they would have to order with the old details. I'm going to add that on the other version because it will just take too long now to launch this app. But the customer can no longer, unfortunately, change the address they made. So they would have to change with the driver. When the driver calls, they would have to explain that, no, I'm no longer in this address. But that is something I'll address on the next version, on the next chatbot as we improve the system.